Welcome to the QUADStore NVR 400 series overview. The QUADStore is the cornerstone of the modern IP video system. When looking at the video ecosystem, remember that it is about system solutions approach, which includes integration, capture, store, and view. These four elements define the video ecosystem. As you can see, this includes different products such as QUADStore, QUADVIEW, IP cameras, and we've leveraged the ONVIF protocol, which allows us to integrate to other platforms. It is no longer about selling cameras and individual products. It is about selling the total system solution with integration via ONVIF to other platforms. The key features of the QUADStore include an H.264 compression, a native on-screen display with full mouse control, 1080p high-definition video output, 2 removable hard disk drives, up to 8 terabytes of storage. Supports Linear's 2, 3, and 5 megapixel IP cameras. DDNS remote viewing on your mobile devices. The browser interface GUI is easy to use. You can use the browser to connect to the NVR and IP cameras, view live video, playback video. This interface also uses Flash technology and is compatible with Internet Explorer, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and Opera. The remote software for the NVR is QUADVIEW NVR. This gives you the ability to play the live remote from the NVR itself. You can also search for events and alarms. It is very easy to use. You can also connect to multiple QUADStore NVRs one at a time. The QUADVIEW NVR app is available for the Apple iOS and Android devices. It is free and available for you to download today. There is also a demo site set up that can be viewed from your browser or QUADVIEW NVR app. The QUADStore NVR is an ideal solution for small to mid-sized businesses, residential and commercial applications that need up to 16 IP cameras. The QUADStore sweet spot is 4 to 12 camera range with linear 2 megapixel cameras where up to 30 days of video storage is needed. Connect a monitor to the NVR and use it similarly as a DVR. Use the browser and QUADVIEW NVR app for remote access. The quick setup is one of the best features of the QUADStore NVR because in this one screen, you can configure pretty much everything you do in the NVR. You can set up and manage IP addresses, camera management, sync cameras with NVR date and time, configure user accounts, manage storage and disk space, and preview video. View live video from multiple IP cameras. This offers full screen and various display layouts, bookmarks, alarm log access, monitor your recording status, PTZ control, audio monitoring, and camera sensor configuration. In the search and playback, you will see that there is a timeline of recorded video that comes in either red or green color coding. The red indicates a motion alarm video and the green is normal video recording. You can search and play back in this area using the calendar to select a certain date, manage playback timeline, and video controls. Find events easily with event tagging, archive video to other media for long-term storage. The key features of the QUADStore NVR are that it supports the linear 2, 3, and 5 megapixel cameras. It's a cost-effective embedded NVR, and it's upgradable and expandable, so you can replace the hard drives and add more storage to it. Future-proof with the ability to upgrade the firmware in future with new features. The native on-screen display allows it to act more like a DVR just by plugging the monitor into the unit. The QUADStore NVR supports 2 networks. Create a network branch just for the IP cameras, which keeps video recording traffic off the corporate LAN. The recording and bandwidth estimation table helps approximate the number of days for video storage using both constant or motion-based recording, depending on the preferred settings for the bitrate, video resolution, frames per second, and more. Check the Linear website for an interactive version of the calculator that can be downloaded and used in Microsoft Excel. This system diagram illustrates the overall IP video solution. The cameras in NVR are connected to the network. In this example, there are 2 different networks, one for cameras and the corporate, LAN 1 and LAN 2, LAN 2 is used as a private network branch for the IP cameras. LAN 1 is used to connect the corporate network. Note that several remote client devices can access the video through an internet connection. This is the standard model and pricing for the QUADStore. There are 4 models offered and accessory hard drives for the replacement upgrade. The NVRs have a 2-year warranty. Hard disk drives have a 3-year warranty.